Hello guys, Craig Newton here. I'm gonna build this. Well, it's a wee change from knex, so I thought I'm gonna do the Lego build. And yes, like as you can see, well, I do have the other Legos and stuff. Especially the ones over here. There's one up there, and then there's one in there. And then there's two, and then all the others are like at the top, as you can see. And I still build that one. Well, obviously I'm going to do this one first. And I do have that other set, which is this bit there, the black bag. Well, it's got the book underneath. So, it is the Lego Super Mario the Bowser Express chain. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then that's the back. And then has the figures at the top. So yeah, I am looking forward to this one as well. Well, I didn't expecting to get that like in the Lego store. Well, I was like, well, mind you, it was the last one, so I got the last one, so well, I would imagine it'd be more in stock. Well, I mean, it was just luck. So yeah, I'm gonna build this. Well, I'm gonna open it up and then sort the stuff in the booklet. So I will do the time lapse, and then like if I don't get it done, then like that's okay. I can build it like maybe the next day or so. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Well guys, it is all finished. The Lego Super Mario the Bowser Express train. So here we go. Look at that. That is awesome, man. Man, that is really cool. Just get a good shots of it. And this thing is pretty cool. There's a button at the back. That red bit there, that thing fires out like that. And then also you get this bit here too. Here's the question box. Here's the hammer bro. And then of course you get these two parts here. Here's the star, here's the two Goombas. Here's a Boom Boom. What a guy. And then here's the Buddy Bud. Anyway, here's the figures at the top. Wow, that is really cool. And the cool thing about this chain, this cloud moves up and down like that. Look at that, it's so cool. I can take it back. And then also that moves as well, side to side, like that. So yeah, so that will go up here, the Mario display. I've got the Mario music on. Well, I love Mario, man, honestly, it's just pure love. So I'm still gonna build, this set and also another one over here. Here's the extra bits from this set here, so yeah, I shall let you go now. Hope you enjoyed the video. I shall let you go. Bye.